Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again. I'm back with another design tip, and today we're going to talk about 3D printed threads. So as you can see, there's a thread on this part and it's been printed. It has not been finished in any way. The only thing we did was we bead blasted the entire part to sort of have a smooth finish overall. And when you print threads, it's important that threads face upwards, because that way they will get the best finish possible. If you have threads that are horizontal, they will most likely fail at printing because this will cause major overhangs in your part. However, these small overhangs are pretty neat to print, especially at a low layer height. So this was printed at 20 micron layer heights. So the finer your thread, the finer your layer height should be. And this is specifically an M6 thread, and this was printed just as it came out of Fusion. I basically just said I want a thread M6 on this one, model it out for me, and that's how we printed it. If you want to print smaller threads or bigger threads, you might have to adjust your beam compensation of your printer, because the smaller your thread is, the more detail you need, and the more gap you might need between your nut and your printed feature. And the larger the thread is, the more overhang you have on your threading. So this might cause your thread to fail. So typically something between an M5 or M6 all the way up to something like an M14 should print fairly smoothly. Anything bigger will probably need supports. Anything smaller will probably not be at a good enough resolution to work. But why don't you guys tell me what was the smallest and biggest thread you've printed so far? I would be really happy to know that. As always, if you have more ideas and more hints what I should do next, leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next week.